Hey, get on the ground. Now. On the ground.
I already talked to them.
On the ground now.
Why?
On the ground because right now you're being detained. Get on the ground or you will be
I
tased.
talked to them like 8
Get on the
times.
ground or you will be tased. Do you understand this?
Dude,
All right.
I talked to them
Get on
like
the ground.
8
You're
times.
under arrest. Hey, do not do that shit. Stop.
Quit.
Quit.
I'm right here.
Quit. Do not swing at me. Quit.
Hey, I'm done.
Knock it off.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Do not grab anything. Do not move. 171 fighting one. Knock it off.
Thank you.
Hand on your back. Hand on your back. Code 4, slow it down when it cuts. Johnny, to your left. Okay, well, you're grabbing an assault third charge now, okay, bud? Don't grab me. You want to play this again?
No.
Stop grabbing me. What is your problem? Sit up.
I'm grabbing anyone.
Sit up. Straighten your feet out. Straighten your feet out.
Let's go over here by my car.
Stand up.
No, it's alright. I've had more.
Anything in your pockets?